Today, Tyler and Tim are going to walk you through the new Uponor surface mount manifold wall cabinet. You'll start by removing the cabinet from the box and then removing the back plane. You will then place your back plane next to the wall and put the door and surface mount enclosure back into the box until you are ready to install those components. This will keep them safe from damage. You will then make a reference line on the wall 3.25 inches above the finished floor. You will then secure the back plane to the wall. It is important to make sure you secure all 4 anchor holes. 2 will be on the right side and 2 will be on the left side. Next, we'll move on to manifold assembly and installation. First, you will lay out your rails, retention clips, bolts, M6 nuts, wing nuts, and washers. You will then insert the retention clips into the rail. Ensure the top and bottom retention clips are rotated 180 degrees so the bolt is closest to the outer edge of the rail. Each rail will have 6 retention clips. You will then add a washer and wing nut to the top and bottom retention clip of each rail. This will help stabilize the manifolds once they have been inserted into the cabinet. Now you will mount the manifold onto the rail using the extended bolts, then secure with the provided nuts and semi-tighten it. The retention clips will make it easy for you to slide the manifolds up and down the rails in order to create space for both manifolds to fit on the rails. Mount the second manifold onto the rails using the extended bolts, and then once again secure with the nuts and semi-tighten them. To install the manifold assembly onto the bottom rail of the cabinet, tilt the top of the assembly forward and the bottom backwards so the bottom of the vertical supports slide behind the lip of the bottom rail. Move the manifold assembly back to square and level. You will then tighten the wing nuts on the top and bottom of both rails. You'll want to first remove the door from the surface mount enclosure before adding the enclosure to the back plane. You will then install the surface mount enclosure by placing the enclosure above the back plane and aligning the mounting tabs from the back plane and enclosure slots, then push down to secure. You will then install the enclosure anchor screws to secure to the wall. It is important to remember to secure all 4 anchor screws, 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. Finally, you will add and secure the door back onto the surface mount enclosure.